Okay na. Guys, our shrimp gambas, or no, garlic butter shrimp is ready. Tapos, itatanungan natin ng garlic fried rice. And some suka daw, ako lemon. Happy eating! Guys, brunch is ready. We have buttered garlic shrimp and fried rice right there. Ayan. I'm so happy. Guys, kakain na kami at kami ay magkakamay while watching Marry Me sa Netflix. Ito yung bawang. Harap. Tapos meron kaming sausawan. Sorry naman ang dumi. Ang dumi. Pati sa tsaka lemon, tsaka ng pepper. Ayun na, kamayan na po. Ito na. Sarap nung salsa niya. Inilagyan natin ng ng mayonnaise. Tsaka butter. Sarap. Ito na ang
I'm asking you to help me now. Stand beside her. For 3